Hi, it's Michelle with The Singing Baker again. Today I thought I would share with you a recipe that I make quite a lot for myself. It's a cranberry chicken salad. And honestly, I make it and serve it lots of different ways. I have eaten it straight out of the bowl. I have eaten it as a dip. You can serve it with some crackers on the side. And then I've also eaten it as a salad. You can put it straight over some romaine lettuce, which is nice, as well as in between two slices of bread, you can have a cranberry chicken salad sandwich. So stay tuned, we'll get started. So one reason why I like this recipe is that it's really tasty and it really doesn't have that many ingredients. So you can really put it together quickly. You basically throw everything into a bowl and let it marinate in the fridge for an hour, and then you are good to go. So 4 ingredients, take a snapshot here to the side. You're going to have 2 cans of boneless white chicken. You can also opt for some chicken breasts that you maybe have left over in your fridge. You would need maybe about 2 chicken breasts for that. You're also going to be needing some slivered almonds, or you can do sliced almonds, whatever your preference, some cranberries, a ranch salad dressing mix in the package here. You'll also need some mayonnaise as well as some plain yogurt. So I usually get the Greek kind that is plain, and then finishing off with some celery as well. And then if you're going to use it as a dip, then you get your crackers on the side. If you're going to use it as a salad, get some romaine lettuce. Okay, so we're going to get started. So I'm just going to put all my stuff together here. I already have my chicken in a bowl. Like I mentioned before, sometimes if I have like 2 chicken breasts left over in the fridge, I'll just use those. Otherwise I use maybe some canned chicken as well. As long as just get a good brand that has good reviews. I'm going to be dicing up the celery. When you do the celery, just make sure it's really small pieces. That seems to go better in this recipe. If you have not had a chance to subscribe, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I have a lot of videos for you that you can try out. I usually post 1 video a week is my goal. If I can post a little bit more than that, I do, but I try to do a minimum of the 1. Okay, so for celery, I usually do about 2 or 3 stalks of the celery. So if you want a little bit more than that, you can, or a little bit less. And then just go through and make sure they're all pretty small pieces. This is a nice healthy one that I enjoy, and if you make it ahead of time, you can really just quickly grab it from the fridge and snack on it. I've also thrown it in a Tupperware dish to take to work before. And it's very refreshing, really. Okay, just going to add some of the celery in. I am dropping it a little bit here. I don't think I'm going to need all of the celery that I took out here, so I'm just going to put in some of it. So today I'm going to use about 2 stalks, I think. Okay. Let me know in the comments if you have a favorite chicken salad recipe. There's lots of different variations. You can also throw a little onion in there if you wanted. And you can also like substitute your nuts if you like a different kind of nut other than the almond. You can do that as well. Okay, so I think I have enough celery in there. I'm going to add my almond in. And cranberry. I really enjoy cranberry in this recipe. We get our ranch salad dressing mix. This is from Hidden Valley, but you can try any other kind you want if you want to switch it up. And then we have our mayo. The mayo gives a little bit of tang and a little moisture to it and creaminess. I'm just mixing this up here. And then our last ingredient is the yogurt. And I try to use that plain yogurt. It blends well in here. So usually like the plain Greek one will work good. So then all you're basically doing is, as you see here, I'm just mixing it all up, and then just cover it and pop it in the fridge, and then let it kind of marinate together. And then after that, I think today I'll use it to put maybe over some romaine lettuce. I think I'll do that today. But feel free to like change it up. See if you like it in a sandwich form or as a dip. For crackers, I usually do like either some Triscuits or like pita crisps are good with this. Or sometimes those veggie chips are nice as well. Okay, so we're all set. I'm gonna get this over in the fridge, and I'll see you in about an hour after this has time to marinate. Okay, so our chicken salad has been marinating in the fridge for about an hour or so. And I'm just gonna put a little salad together today. I just put a little bit of romaine on a plate, and then you just dollop some chicken salad on the top. So however much you like. And it's really a delicious plate. I'm gonna have a little bite here. You have the creaminess from the chicken. Then you got a little bit of crunch from both the romaine as well as the celery as well. Okay. Perfect. Make sure you try this one. It's really easy, as you see. Took no time at all to put together. So enjoy. See you later.